In today's video, I will walk you through how to create account in Square. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Square website. Once the home page loads, look for the Get Started button. You'll usually find it near the top of the page. Click on it to begin creating your free Square account. Square will then ask for some basic account information. Enter your email address in the email field, then create a secure password for your account. It's a good idea to use a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays protected. After entering your details, click Create Account to continue. Next, Square will guide you through setting up your business profile. Enter your business name in the provided field, then click Next. After that, you'll be asked to choose the type of business you are setting up. Take a moment to select the option that best matches your business or the services you plan to offer. This helps Square personalize the tools and features inside your account. You'll then be asked to select your annual revenue range. If you are still getting started and you are not sure what your revenue will be yet, you can choose the Not Sure Yet option and continue with the setup process. After completing these details, your Square account will be ready to use. At this point, you can sign in anytime using the email address and password you created earlier. Make sure to keep your login information saved in a secure place so you can access your account whenever you need it.